6 a.m. in Interlaken. We're getting ready to board our train to Zurich, which will connect us to Salzburg and then Vienna. Last Swiss water refill before going on our train. So we just got to the Zurich train station. Now we're looking for some breakfast options. There seem to be like a lot of food places at the train station. Let's check it out, Ralph. This is the oldest vegetarian restaurant in the world, right here in Zurich. And they have a vegetarian breakfast buffet right by the train station. So you can grab a meal for your ride. Whoa.
You just pick whatever you want, any vegetarian thing, and you weigh it on the counter.
So this is my final plate, which is just a bunch of veggie stuff. I hope it's good. Okay, this is not cheap because the total for all of this was 67 francs. How was it? I don't even know where to start. So this is rosti, papadum, artichoke, organic egg. I don't know, a bunch of stuff. The itinerary is. If the train is late by a minute or two, they make sure to update it. Next stop, Salzburg. So we just checked into our cute little hotel called Das Salz. They have a little city guide.
Ja, ziet eigenlijk toegegangen en... I just got a carrot cake here. Before cafe closed.
Cake in the rain in Salzburg.
No, messy one. Mozart notes.
This is a hotel? What the? Ralph keeps looking for these glasses, and they have them at this hotel lobby.
May grado. This one, the yellow one.
Distracted by another McDonald's. But look at this one. Oh, that's cool. Taking shelter in this McDonald's. What do you think of Vienna so far? Sorry, this is not Vienna. Finally reached the end of the street. I think this is a church over here.
Almost there, man. Almost there.
I'm not usually a beer drinker, but this is actually really good.
This is the fried chicken.
Wow.
Come with potato salad.
Okay, this is a lot for 2 people, but we had to try everything. So the guide at our hotel said that this is the best chicken in the city and maybe in the country, so had to try this. I have to say, I'm a super fan of this chicken. It's almost like a panko batter. Very fine, thin, crunchy. Super good. Potato salad. The potatoes that come with the sausage are so good. They have like a kind of caramelized onion flavor. Very delicious. Trying the schnitzel. Bratwurst. Oh, it's so soft and so full of flavor, so juicy. Oh wait, it's unusually soft. No? This thing. Yeah, I wonder what this is. Okay, I think this is liver. Is it liver? A breaded liver.
Lemon water lang para bawi ng konti.
So we just finished packing all our bags, getting ready to take one last walk around Salzburg before we take a train to Vienna. Had a really nice sleep in our cute little room at Das Salz. Okay, let's go get some coffee. This cute little aquamarine ring that I found in the town yesterday at Antique St. Rupert. Saint Rupert. So you do a self-checkout, which looks like this. Confirm your checkout, checkout now. berry.
What's in it?
Ooh, I love a
Like a
sour.
Sour berry chocolate. Called the Wilderman Brewery, or Wilderman.
Oh wow.
One of the earlier Salzburg fish market fountains.
Oh.
Espresso, the flavor is not, it's complex but not too complex.
You got the coffee?
Nice and hot.
Scorpio, love, are your mind and emotions in balance? Health, with a good attitude, everything goes well. Libra, love, be insightful and understanding today. Health, be calmer and more relaxed today. Sounds generic as fuck.